好啦，翻嚟2023年 long quet 第一條啦。咁咧佢就問 heat cap 嘅，咁咧有個 iron 啦，咁就個 mass 咧就200 gram，咁我哋留意單位，咁即係我哋轉翻先0.2 kg，咁咧就 heat up to 幾百度啦，咁咧佢就話個溫度就叫 T 度 C 啦，咁咧跟住咧就掉落去一個 polystyrene cup，咁啊有600 gram 嘅水，咁啊又係轉單位，就0.6 kg 啊。咁咧，你個 iron cube 咧就完美地 totally 咁樣浸晒入去嘅。咁啊，好啦。咁咧 assume 咧呢個實驗咧係 no heat loss 啦。咁啊有 heat cap of the polystyrene cup 個發泡膠盒、發泡膠杯又唔使理佢嘅個 heat cap。咁啊，好啦。咁咧佢就話個 water record by the thermometer 咧就25度變咗33度。咁啊叫你估下一開始個 T 係幾多？咁咧就嚟啦。咁首先 energy gain 會等於 energy loss。咁你而家邊個 energy gain 咗啊？咁你啲水咯，水升咗溫啊嘛。咁所以咧就係 mc delta t 就會等於你個 mc delta t。咧你個 m 咧水嗰個咧就係0.6 kg 啦。咁啊4200啦。咁啊 delta t 係33減25嘅。咁另外一邊咧 energy loss 咧，咁啊鐵個方塊咧就 energy loss 咗啦。咁啊0.2 kg。乘450，咁啊乘 T 減33，係啦，咁個 final temperature 係33，咁啊撳機嘅啫，剩低啲嘢，咁啊計到咧個 T 咧就應該係257，咁記得俾單位導師。好，下一條啦。咁 what will happen to the water 如果 when these iron cube of high temperatures touch the water surface？ 咁咧佢話啱啱好即係最慶合嗰陣時，咁直接轟落去嘅時候，啱啱好個 surface 嗰度會發生啲咩事咧？咁個表面會直接蒸發咗嘅，係咁咧。Some water might become steam immediately， 係啦，會即刻蒸發咗嘅。咁咧，咁就叫佢解釋啦。咁 explain why the actual value of 個 temperature 就應該要再高啲。咁因為有一部分嘅 heat， 有一部分嘅 energy 係去咗你個 latent heat of 個 vaporization 啦，of vaporization。咁所以咧 ，suppose 你原本 energy 你嘅 energy 咧應該再多啲嘅。咁咧就因為 energy is lost to water as vaporization of water。唔好寫 as 呢個 by 啦，係啦 energy loss 咯，咁所以理論上應該再高啲嘅。好啦，咁啊 part D 啦，咁一個 mercury in glass 嘅 thermometer 就唔適合去量度一個熱咗嘅立方體啦。咁點解咧？因為佢哋嘅熱，佢哋嘅 thermal conductivity， 佢哋嘅 thermal contact 咧好差嘅。你一嚿固體，你再揾一嚿嘢，真係篤住佢咧，其實咧你係度唔到嘢嘅。固體同固體咧嘅傳熱咧，一個波咁樣啦，一個 glass 咧咁樣搞落去咧，個傳熱效率唔 good 嘅，因為咧就係個 term 就係叫做 poor thermal contact between the glass bulb 啦，咁即係你個針頭啦，你個探熱針，你個 thermometer 個頭啦，呢個就嗰個 glass bulb 咯 of the thermometer and the iron cube。好啦，第二個 suggest a thermometer， 咁咧就可以量度到咁咧就 infrared 啦。咁紅外線嗰個直接打落去就 OK 啦。infrared thermometer 或者寫 IR 嘅都得嘅。